The sounds that you're about to hear are sounds that have affected men's lives for 365 days. Every day for 24 hours. How many of you could have lived with the same sounds? I'm talking about sounds that can tear you apart. The sounds of war. Not pretty sounds, are they? But you'd have to admit they're a little bit heavy. For one reason and one reason only, when you recognize a veteran of the Vietnam War, respect him. Don't give him any trouble. For one reason, he has done more in his lifetime than you will ever see, than you will ever experience. And when you call this man your friend, be careful, because his friend may have been killed saving his life. Are you experienced? Well, we are.